Hello, lovely kids. Today we will learn am family words from the vowel a. Before we proceed, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest educational videos. Let's start now. First of all, we will write the heading in the middle of the box. A having a tail, we will join a tail with m. This becomes am. This becomes am. So, as you know, we are doing am sound words. The first word I'm going to tell you is k, am. This becomes cam. What is cam? Cam is a short form of camera. Cam is a short form of camera. Write once again. K, am, cam. When we join am sound with k, this becomes cam. Cam is used for taking the pictures and making videos. Camera, cam, k, am, cam. This becomes cam. I'm going to make a picture of cam here. It's a very simple picture. Yes, kids? This is cam. Yes. Next word is dam. D having a tail, we will join the tail with am sound words or with am family words. That is the same thing. This becomes dam. This becomes dam. What is dam? A wall built across a river to stop the flow of water. D, am. This becomes डैम. डैम को हिंदी में हम बांध कहते हैं. एक वॉल बनाई जाती है नदी के पानी को रोकने के लिए, उसे हम डैम कहते हैं. ड, am. This becomes dam. Okay, so this is a wall and this is the water of a river. Yes, kids? Next word is ham. Her having a tail, we will join her tail with am family words. This becomes ham. This becomes ham. What is ham? Ham is a pig's meat. Ham is a pig's meat. Yes. Ham. Yes. This is a picture of ham. Yes, ham. Next word is jam. Jo with, we will join jo with am. This becomes jam. Kids, do you like bread and jam? Yes? Yes. Jam is made up of fruits and sugar. Jam. This becomes jam. Jo, am. This becomes jam. So it's a jam bottle. Yes. I'm going to make a strawberry fruit here. This shows this is a jam bottle. All right. Yes. Next word is ram. Ro, am. This becomes ram. Okay, what is ram? Ram is an adult male sheep which is found in the hilly areas. हिंदी में हम राम को भेड़ा बोलते हैं. रो, am. This becomes ram. We will join r tail with am. This becomes ram. Ro, am. This becomes ram. I'm going to make a picture of ram here. Yes. It's a very simple picture of ram. Yes, kids? With four legs. Ram. I hope you understand all the am sound words. Keep learning, keep practicing these words and learn the meaning also. Thank you.
Let's do revision, kids. Let's have a look for our first picture. What is this? This thing is used for clicking the pictures and making videos, and it comes in all the smartphones. Come on fast. What is this? Yes, this is cam. Am. Cam. Am. Cam. Cam is a short form of camera. Okay? See the next picture. What is this? We call band in Hindi. Yes? A wall built across the river to stop the flow of water. Yes? Tell me. This is dam. Am becomes dam. Am. This becomes dam. Let's we move ahead. See this? Tell me, what is this? Many people love to eat this in burger. Yes, it's a pig's meat. What we call? Jaldi batao bachcho. Yes, this is ham. Am. Ham. Am. Ham. Okay. Now, see the next yummy and tasty thing in the picture. What is this, kids? We love to spread this on the bread. Yes, it's a yummy jam. Am becomes jam. Am, jam. And it is made up of fruits and sugar. Now kids, this is the last picture. Watch this. This animal is found in the hilly areas. Which animal is this? Yes, tell me. This is a ram. Am becomes ram. Am, ram. Ram is an adult male sheep found in the hilly areas. We have revised am family words. We will do these two worksheets in the homework. In the first one, read the words and match with the pictures. And in the second worksheet, see the pictures first and write the name of the pictures